Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Okay children, this time is study time. Okay children, this time is study time. Today I will teach you English subject. Okay children, English subject. Okay, and lesson number 4, page number 11 and letter E and concept listen and repeat. Okay children, listen and repeat. Okay, sound of E, a. Okay children, sound of E, a. Okay, so look at the book children. Okay, lesson number 4, concept listen and repeat, and page number 11. Okay, letter E. Okay, letter E. This letter is capital E. Okay, or this letter is small e. Okay children, this is small e. Okay, E, engine. Okay, elephant, elbow, egg and empty. Okay children, so now repeat again. Okay children, engine, elephant, elbow, egg and empty. Okay children, look at the board children. Okay, sound of E, a. Okay children, sound of E, a. Okay, who is this picture children? Who is this picture? This is elephant. Okay children, this is elephant. So write here elephant in small letters. Okay, write in small letter. E, L, E, P, H, A and T. Okay, so elephant. Okay children, elephant. Okay, next picture is, who is this picture children? This picture is envelope. Okay children, this picture is envelope. Okay, so write here envelope. Okay children, this is envelope. Okay, next picture is children, who is this picture? This is egg. Okay children, this is egg. So write here egg. Okay, and for example, eyes. Okay, so now repeat. Okay children, elephant, envelope, egg and eyes. Okay, now repeat again children. Okay, elephant, envelope, egg and eyes. Okay, now we will learn how to write cursive letter E. Okay children, how to write cursive letter E. Then first of all, practice. Okay children, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. This number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our practice letter E. Okay children, So go 2, 3 and go 4. Okay children? Go 2, 3 and 4. So this letter is E. Okay children? This letter is E. Okay. E. Okay. So now write in line. Okay children? Write in line letter E. Okay. So start letter E. Go up and down and up. Okay. This letter is E. Go up and down and up. This E. This letter is E children. Okay. This E. Okay. Once more children, okay? How to write cursive letter E, okay? Go up and down and up, okay? Go up, down and up. Go up and down and up, okay? Okay children, this letter is E, okay? So, our topic 1, okay, topic 1 letter E, this completed. Okay children? Okay. Now letter F. Page number 12 and next letter is F, okay? Sound of F, F. Okay children. Topic, our topic, next topic 2, okay? Okay children. Look at the book children. Page number 12. Concept, listen and repeat. Okay. And letter F. Okay. Letter F. This letter capital letter and this letter is small letter. Okay children. This letter is small and this letter capital. Okay. Fox, fish, fan, frog and flower. Okay children. Now repeat again. Fox, fish, fan, frog and flower. Okay children. Look at the board children. Okay. picture is, children? Who is this picture? This picture is fish. Okay. This picture is fish. Okay. So, right here, fish. Okay. Fish. Next, who is this picture, children? This picture is flower. Okay, children, this picture is flower. Okay. Flower. Okay. Next, who is this picture, children? This is fan. Okay. This is fan. Okay. Fan. Okay. As example, frog. Okay, children. So, repeat this. Okay. Fish. Fish. Right here. Fish. Flower. Okay, children. Flower. And fan. Okay. This fan. Okay. Next, frog. Okay, children. Repeat again. Fish. Flower. Fan. And next, frog. Okay, children. Sound of F. Fa. Okay, children. Sound of F. Fa. So, fish, flower, fan and frog. Okay, children. Now, how to write letter F? Okay. How to write letter F? So, first of all, let's practice. Okay, children. This letter is F. Okay. This point is point. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, children. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So, make this letter F. Small letter F. Okay, children. Now, write in line. Okay, children. Okay. So, start letter F. Go up and down, up and circle and up. Okay, children. This letter is F. Go up and down, up and circle and up. So, this letter F. go up and down and up and circle and up. Okay. Now repeat. Go up and down and up and circle and up. So this letter is F. Small letter F. Okay, children? Are you understand? Okay, children? So our topic 2 here completed. Okay, children? This completed. Okay? Are you happy, children? Okay, children. Bye. Cut कर दो बेटा.